going to unbox this. This is a USB rechargeable flameless lighter with the dual arc electric plasma cigarette lighter. So my son got this as a gift. So I'm going to unbox it for you guys to let you guys check it out. This is waterproof, windproof with the 2.0 USB. It is rechargeable, and it also has a indicator light, and it is flameless for safer usage. So the material on this is ABS plus zinc alloy. The weight on this is 0.11 pound. Dimension on this is 3.2 inch by 3.9 inch by 1.3 inch. Voltage on this is 3.7 volt. They have two colors, red and black. The package content will include a lighter, instruction, USB charging cord, plus a lanyard. So let's go and then unbox this and then show you guys real quick. It says lighter, classic, fashionable. Let's go and then open this up. So here's the guarantee card and then a thank you note. So here's a product spec that I just went over. So the charging time, it takes about 2 hours, and then it allows you to use it range from 150 to 300 times. And then here's a little instruction. So here's the lighter. Got the nice case. It's kind of remind me of the Supreme colorway. And then see what else has come with it. So here's the USB Type A to micro USB charging cable. And then here's the lanyard. And then there's a quick release. Cool. Go and then check out the lighter. So how to use, you want to go and then open the buckle right here, downward. Okay, just like that. And then press the unlock or push the unlock right here. So it popped the cover open. And then you're gonna press the button right here to ignite it. Wow, wow, look at that. Let me use that cover as a background. So this is where you put your lanyard right here through this loop. And then to charge it, you're gonna plug it in here to charge it. Let me go get my power bank. Let's open this wire real quick. Cable. So be sure to look at the wider side right here. It's facing the flame. Although this is flameless. Alright, just like that. And then there's a LED indicator right there. Let me go get a power bank to show you guys. Alright, so I got my power bank right here. As you can see, it shows 100% charge. Go ahead and plug this one in. And as you can see, there's a blue LED indicator right there. So once it's fully charged, that LED will go out. That means it is charged completely. Okay? Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and then I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.